Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of heavy-duty vehicles with a closer look at the 2025 Caterpillar truck. Known for their unmatched durability and power in the construction industry, Caterpillar is rumored to bring their expertise to the pickup truck market. We'll discuss everything you need to know, including its rugged design, potential engine options, advanced features, and how it might compare to competitors. If you're curious about what this powerhouse truck could offer, stay tuned to discover what to expect from the 2025 Caterpillar truck. Caterpillar Inc., established in 1925, has long been synonymous with durability, performance, and innovation in the heavy machinery sector. Their extensive product line, encompassing over 300 machines, reflects a steadfast commitment to customer success and industry leadership. The prospect of a 2025 Caterpillar truck has generated considerable excitement within the automotive and construction industries. This anticipated vehicle represents Caterpillar's potential expansion into the consumer truck market, aiming to blend their renowned heavy-duty capabilities with everyday utility. Enthusiasts and professionals alike are eager to see how Caterpillar's engineering excellence will translate into a pickup truck designed for both rugged terrains and daily commutes. Design and build. The 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck embodies Caterpillar's legacy of producing robust machinery, seamlessly integrating rugged durability with modern design elements. Rugged and durable construction. Built to endure the most challenging environments, the 2025 Caterpillar pickup features a high-strength steel frame and corrosion-resistant materials, ensuring longevity and reliability under extreme conditions. The reinforced chassis and heavy-duty suspension system are engineered to handle substantial loads, making it suitable for both construction sites and off-road adventures. The truck bed is designed with reinforced flooring and sides to withstand heavy materials, complemented by a rust and scratch-resistant layer for added durability. Modern exterior design with Caterpillar branding. The exterior design reflects Caterpillar's industrial heritage while incorporating contemporary aesthetics. A prominent front grille displays the distinctive cat emblem, flanked by bright LED headlights designed to illuminate even the darkest job sites. The hood is high and robust, featuring vents that hint at the power beneath. The side profile showcases impressive ground clearance and hefty all-terrain tires, with flared wheel arches accommodating the large wheels and embracing the truck's intimidating stance. A step rail extends along the side, enhancing accessibility. At the rear, the tailgate features a clean design with the cat logo prominently displayed, flanked by modern, vertical LED taillights that echo the design of the headlights. The reinforced rear bumper, complete with integrated tow hooks, is ready to handle heavy loads with ease. This harmonious blend of toughness and sophistication positions the 2025 Caterpillar pickup as a formidable contender in the heavy-duty truck market, appealing to professionals and enthusiasts alike. Performance and power. The 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck is poised to make a significant impact in the heavy-duty vehicle market, offering a range of powertrain options tailored to diverse performance needs. Speculated engine options. Turbocharged V8 engine. The base model is expected to feature a 5.0-litre turbocharged V8 gasoline engine, delivering approximately 400 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. This configuration aims to balance power and fuel efficiency, catering to both work-related tasks and daily driving. Turbocharged V8 diesel engine. For those requiring enhanced towing and payload capabilities, a 6.7-litre V8 turbo diesel engine is anticipated, producing around 500 horsepower and a substantial 1,000 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is designed for heavy-duty applications, ensuring robust performance under demanding conditions. Hybrid powertrain. Caterpillar is also exploring a hybrid variant, potentially combining a 3.5-litre V6 gasoline engine with electric motors. This setup could offer a combined output of 450 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque, emphasizing fuel efficiency without compromising on capability. All-electric version. In line with industry trends towards electrification, an all-electric model is under consideration. Early reports suggest a dual-motor arrangement providing all-wheel drive, with an estimated range exceeding 300 miles on a single charge, and an output of 600 horsepower and 850 pound-feet of torque. Towing and payload capacities. While specific figures are yet to be officially released, the 2025 Caterpillar pickup is engineered to excel in towing and payload performance. Towing capacity. Estimates indicate the truck will offer a towing capacity of up to 12,000 pounds, positioning it competitively within the heavy-duty segment. Payload capacity. The vehicle is expected to handle payloads up to 2,500 pounds, accommodating a wide range of hauling requirements for both professional and recreational use. These capabilities, combined with Caterpillar's heritage of durability and engineering excellence, suggest that the 2025 Caterpillar pickup will be a formidable contender in the heavy-duty truck market, appealing to consumers seeking reliability, power, and versatility. Features and technology. The 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck is set to revolutionize the heavy-duty vehicle market by integrating advanced safety systems and cutting-edge technology, ensuring both functionality and comfort for its users. Advanced safety systems for work sites. Caterpillar has introduced a feature called Worksite Awareness, which utilizes a network of cameras and sensors to detect people or obstructions around the vehicle. This system provides real-time alerts to the driver, enhancing safety in dynamic work environments. Additionally, the truck is equipped with Terrain IQ, offering a 360-degree view of the vehicle's surroundings. This feature is particularly beneficial for navigating tight spaces and challenging off-road terrains, ensuring precise maneuverability and reducing the risk of accidents. Cutting-edge infotainment and driver assistance technology. The centerpiece of the interior is a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Caterpillar's proprietary software. This high-resolution display serves as the command center for various functions, including climate control and off-road modes. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration for navigation, media, and communication. Below the main screen, an 8-inch display is dedicated to climate control and vehicle settings, enabling convenient multitasking without cluttering the primary interface. The driver benefits from a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to display essential information such as traditional gauges, navigation directions, and even infrared imaging for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. One of the standout features is the heads-up display, HUD, projecting critical information onto the windshield. This full-color, high-resolution display allows drivers to access speed, navigation, and augmented reality overlays without diverting attention from the road. The innovative voice control system utilizes natural language processing, enabling drivers to operate various vehicle systems through simple voice commands. This hands-free functionality enhances safety and convenience, allowing adjustments to radio stations, temperature settings, and four-wheel drive engagement without manual interaction. Collectively, these features position the 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck at the forefront of automotive technology, offering a blend of safety, convenience, and innovation tailored to meet the demands of modern drivers. Target audience. The 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck is engineered to meet the rigorous demands of construction professionals and heavy-duty tasks. Its robust design and powerful engine options make it an ideal choice for those requiring a reliable vehicle capable of handling substantial workloads. Beyond its strength, the truck offers exceptional versatility for both off-road and worksite use. Equipped with advanced off-road assist technology, including hill descent control and electronic locking differentials, it ensures optimal performance across various terrains. This combination of durability and adaptability positions the 2025 Caterpillar pickup as a valuable asset for professionals and enthusiasts seeking a dependable vehicle for challenging environments. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck is anticipated to enter the market with a starting price around $65,000 for the base model, positioning it at the higher end of the pickup segment. Fully equipped variants, especially those featuring the V8 diesel engine, are expected to approach $90,000, aligning it with luxury truck offerings. In comparison, competitors like the Ford F-150 offer a broader price range, with base models starting lower and high-end trims reaching up to $76,000. Similarly, the Ram 1500 spans from approximately $32,000 to $70,000, depending on the configuration. This positions the Caterpillar pickup as a premium option, potentially justified by its advanced features and heavy-duty capabilities. Regarding availability, reports suggest that the 2025 Caterpillar pickup will be released in November 2024, with widespread dealership availability across the US expected by January 2025. Given Caterpillar's reputation for durability and performance in heavy machinery, the 2025 pickup truck is poised to attract professionals and enthusiasts seeking a robust and reliable vehicle despite its premium pricing. Conclusion: the 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck has generated significant interest, with various sources discussing its potential impact on the automotive market. However, it's important to note that as of now, Caterpillar has not officially announced the development or release of such a vehicle. Speculative reports suggest that if Caterpillar were to enter the pickup truck market, their vehicle would likely emphasize durability and performance, aligning with the company's reputation in heavy machinery. Features might include advanced safety systems, cutting-edge infotainment, and driver assistance technologies, positioning it as a competitor in the heavy-duty segment. In terms of market impact, a Caterpillar pickup could potentially raise the bar for durability and robustness, prompting other manufacturers to enhance their offerings. It might also attract professionals seeking a reliable vehicle for both off-road and worksite use. Given the current lack of official information, it's advisable to stay updated on Caterpillar's announcements for any developments regarding this topic. Monitoring reputable automotive news outlets and Caterpillar's official communications will provide accurate information as it becomes available.